go to this waterfall. Okay. Now park your bike and walk a little. Yeah. Okay. We came here. Flash flood warning. Do you remember I came here times ago? Be alert, water may rise without warning. See that? Flash flood warning. I don't know who messaged me. Danushka Igodagi. Unfortunately, signals. There are no any signals, buddy. This is actually a good place to have a bath. That. Well, Sam J came here again. I'll show you how to go. In that place also you can go. Okay. This Huay Mae Sai Waterfall. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but these days it's really good because not much raining, but when it rains you will experience flash flood. That's what they mentioned there. You know what flash flood is? Flash flood. Water is not much cold. Not much cold. You can see that. Water is not much cold. Sam J came here again. Sam J is exploring the probabilities. Oi! Another. What you see here, maybe something happened with the flash flood. Okay, so if you experience flash flood, just run like flash. That's flash flood means. You have to run like flash. Because in that flood, that you can't run like Usain Bolt or anyone, but flash. Now you have to climb 700 meters. We'll see. We see. 700 meters. This is good because then I can test my fitness level. And you know what? Not much people know about this place, like tourists. So this is one rare moment that I obtained. Oh no. Few new travelers. They left this place a little bit earlier. I'm telling you, what I'm experiencing now is not much travelers, so you can purely enjoy this path. So he suddenly stopped recording. And then I'll see where we go. Just 5 p.m. Still we have the light. Okay. Well, I have good fitness. This is one pace. There's another pace. We first go to the most familiar place. This is it, lady. This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huai Mae. I don't know, whatever, that waterfall. Yeah, baby, we are here. And you probably can experience the flash flood. learning high. So we will experience here. I don't think so. So then we go to the other side. The second floor. That's what they mentioned there. Second floor they mentioned. Okay, let's go there. But I remember last time I was traveling here, it was very difficult for me because, you know, I'm breathing heavily, but this time it's no problem. Yeah, you can go. You can go, Fletcher. Super good, right? Wait. I need to put that battery. Here. Now let's go. Now, yeah. Your fitness level is not bad. I never been to here before, but you can see here. Oh, there's a hike, jungle trail. Oh. People are hiking and motorbike riding. Oh, is it? See? Okay. My GoPro is giving me troubles. 2 of my batteries were swollen, and again the other one also. Hey. Hey. I think you can go up, see this. Well, Sam J. Crazy. Oh. Well, I'm happy about my fitness level. You can bathe here, you can bathe there, you can bathe there, and you can bathe here, but be careful with the flash flood. More ways to go. So just experience the nature. Go as far as you can go. Come back. What do you think about my fitness? I'm not breathing heavily. I'm not gasping. Normal. My cardio workout worked well there. I'm doing nice cardio workout, developed by myself. If anyone wants to know, is the fee is $29.99. I'm just kidding. You guys, I know you guys don't buy such. You don't want to see me rich, because then I'll have money and I can travel, and you stay at home and you suffer. So that's what you think, right? That's what I experienced so far. People don't like, are just having fun. This is actually okay. Your sound is not gasping. Oh my god. What is bloody flash flood came? Hey, what was that? Ting noise. What was that ting noise? Oh my god, there's a tourist here. Here is some meditation, I think. It's good. Good place for meditation. Oh, oh. Okay. The place is cool. So buddy, so I can see, it's only me came here, so I have to say that just can't enjoy this alone. Here to share this, so I go back. It's okay, no problem. Huh? I came by foot. I go by foot. So be careful. Be careful, Sam J. I do a lot of things. Okay. I'm really happy with my fitness levels. So I could enjoy many of the hiking. Then probably is meditating. It's really good. Good thing. Okay guys, now I'm going back because from here to there nothing much you have seen already. Okay, bye bye. Dua kilo. Apa sih 2 kilo? Bari barkaretian de payata varuvaran. Okay. Uravanava Rasi patakiyan Sitalayata gayan Aputale Wangsai kanda bahina daripada karetian upaya taruh barang rasi pada kiani supaya terdehin mangsai kanda naginawa no 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 do 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 tam matta sihi venawa rapungale perangkale amma puduma hitenawa Wairu dan tava putna depan du dan ngadi sindu